Live from the world's capital market, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by Skill Genic.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar fell to a 7-month low, and the Japanese yen hit a more than 1-week high as traders awaited comments from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell this week, likely to hint the US Central Bank will start cutting interest rates in September. Gold subdued after piercing the $2,500 ceiling in the previous session, as investors booked profits from the record run and positioned for more cues from the US Federal Reserve and developments in the Middle East. Wall Street pushed higher and the dollar tipped lower after stocks surged last week on expectations the US economy would dodge a recession and cooling inflation would kick off a cycle of interest rate cuts. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 both rose over 0.5%. The dollar fell 0.9% against the yen in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Japan's exports will be released at 23:50 GMT, the US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT, the US API weekly crude oil stock at 20:30 GMT. Germany's Producer Price Index will be released at 6 GMT, Japan's imports at 23:50 GMT, the Eurozone's Harmonised Index of Consumer Prices at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.